Hey y'all, so today I am back with another video. This video I am going to show you guys how I do wand curls in this water wave hair. This is the Yolissa hair. I did a video a couple months about it, and as you see I have colored the hair, and this is the hair in its natural state. I literally just washed the hair and let it dry, and that's it. So it still has its natural curl. The only thing that has changed about this hair, I would say, is the density. This hair definitely has shed a lot, but it really only sheds when you wash it. But the thing is, when you wash it, it sheds kind of a lot. So this hair was like way more full, and I feel like right now, you know, you can't, I don't know, it's a little less full than it was, and I did clip the ends, but I feel like you mostly tell kind of like the thinness that it's gotten is really when you wash it. So if you guys want a video of me you know, washing this hair on camera, just so I can show you guys, you know, like the difference and how thin it is now, then just comment down below and I will do that for you. Other than that, I'm gonna quit rambling and we're going to get into me wand curling this hair.
Fight. Knockout. You win. Fight.